Is it?
I thought it was the toe.
It's in the foot!
Yes!
It's actually!
Oh, fuck.
What's your favorite? Guys, you guys are a fucking question.
I think it's the toe, but I live in it.
How many days are there in a leap year?
Oh, no. Leap year. It's more. It's what? Yeah, it's... Wait. Katie. What? Katie.
Don't worry, it's not on
Katie,
me.
hello. Is it 365 or
366 is a leap
Yeah,
year.
366, yeah.
What's the
Right,
answer?
366.
It is 366.
Ask me just now.
Yeah.
Because then that's everyone officially 18, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Age.
Age.
Yeah, you will get kicked out of spins after 10. Woo!
Okay.
We'll get him one of the We'll get you a propeller hat.
To be fair, my birthday is a Friday, so...
A rainbow propeller hat. Like the kid one.
No firewater Thursday though.
Okay, we get to go.
Okay, can we have quiet please? Thank you.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, so
stand by.
stand by. We're recording in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome. This is our Christmas film recommendation. We have 3 picks each for families, for laughs, and for couples. Nice and simple.
Simple for you. I've brought films that will change lives.
That's great. Looking forward to it. Right. Now for round 1.
That's great.
Starting strong, my recommendation for the whole family is the timeless classic Home Alone. It's warm, funny, full of heart, and great for all ages.
Interesting choice. Very safe, very vanilla. I, however, recommend The Shining.
For families.
Nice, well
Yeah, it's about a family spending quality time together in a cosy winter lodge.
It's about a man trying to axe his family,
Every family has holiday tensions.
but not when with blunt force.
Look, it's snowy, it's seasonal, there's a maze. Kids love mazes.
It's a horror film.
If your family can't handle some light psychological suspense, that's on you. And it's kid friendly. Here's Tommy!
Okay, right, so that was his right hand.
Right, time for round 2. The next round is comedy. My pick is Elf. Joyful, silly, and a modern classic.
Lovely, lovely. My comedy choice is American Psycho.
It's Christmas film.
It's full of snow with an amazing sled racing scene from Cuba Gooding Jr.
Nah.
Okay, are we all ready? Quiet on set.
Our last segment will be a look into the mind of the man behind Christmas. Today, Santa is visiting our couch, visiting the therapist. Right, no more Mrs. Nicel. Right, reset and do it.
So it's a really nice way to extend the term.
Eventually, we'll go film a talent there, we'll release a DVD. Make some money. Couple trees on them, see access.
There we go. You look very sad. That's great.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's it for our Christmas special. We really hope you had a lot of fun and enjoyed your time with us. Merry Christmas!
Go back to him. And again.
You've been here for 4 years.
Man, you look stunning.
Thanks, Ellie. Well,
Do you want to see it?
if you want to hide that, you can put your hand.
Fire, pretty fire.
And then he'll just like stay on there.
Yeah.
It'd be really funny to see like right here. Right.
Yeah, we're
Did you already?
Yeah, some stories. On my stories, I think I accidentally posted it to my account.
I don't know if I want this to be honest.
5, 4, 3.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for your viewing pleasure, festive arm wrestling. In this corner, all the way from the North Pole, and with several future court proceedings in his future on December 28th and May 30th for undisclosed reasons, weighing in at £60 and 4 foot 2 inches, Reese the Elm.
In this corner is this guy.
Rude.
Cut.
I'm sorry. Why did you put that on?
In front of my
What
face.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
They're saying that's good.
Done?
No, we've not started. They're just saying it looks good.
So it's the arm wrestle. Wait,
So actually, yeah.
Is it actually running or is it?
No, weirdly enough, Richard poured it all, and then someone filled it with Coca-Cola, but that was fucking different.
It's all good, that one's stiffy.
Yeah, that camera's fucking good.
Yeah, there's one camera that we actually focus. I haven't seen
Get
it.
an Orleans up there.
That's that one.
Let's fucking feed my face.
I think I should zoom it slightly so we can see the bottle on the ground, like
Who would pay for this?
that, and then seeing its full body, like that.
Excellent.
Do you think that looks alright? You can see it.
Nice pillow.
There we go.
Yeah, pillow one
Yeah,
day.
she's Santa's, right?
Richard said it was okay.
I think maybe his legs are alright.
Is that a black bear?
Yeah, it's going to be a black egg.